Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I am headed over to the soap shop this morning to take care of some things, and then I'm going to come back home and do some more marketing. So I wanted to make a video and talk to you about direct mail marketing going into 2025 because I've added a new direct mail marketing opportunity. It's not new. It's been around a few years, but it's new to me, or I've heard about it, but it's new to me in the sense that I've actually taken a really good look at it. I've talked to my sponsor about it, and it's a really good opportunity that I thought would be beneficial to add to, all the other things that I'm doing. So, and I think honestly, going into 2025, I'm going to focus more on direct mail, because when you look at the statistics on it, if you send out an email for email marketing, you're going to get a 20 to 30% is like across all industries is like the average open rate. And when you look, and then to have somebody open and click through, it's even smaller percentage. So when you look at direct mail marketing, you're looking at 80 to 90% of everything that goes in the mail gets seen by the recipient of it. So a lot more people see direct mail than they do email marketing. And I can attest to that because, like at the soap shop, when I go in there this morning and I open up our emails, it's going to be full of spam and garbage, all right? And I'm to the point now that if I don't know the person who sent it, or if it doesn't come from our website, contact page, I don't even open it. Okay, because it's just 99% of the time it's just all junk. So you can send out emails all day long, but the chance of your emails getting open, unless you have a big list that you're already send emails to and the people getting them know you, the chance of it being opened are pretty slim. All right, so I think direct mail marketing and sending out postcards in combination with doing videos, like I like to make videos, and then sharing the opportunities on social media, I think it's a win-win situation, okay? And this new opportunity, new to me, it's been around a few years, like I mentioned, it's just a really awesome opportunity. It's a one-time payment to join. You're gonna get postcards and leads that come in your welcome kit, so they help you get started. And the income potential is virtually unlimited. All right, you're going to get paid every time you refer someone. And then if they move up in levels, you're going to, depending on what level you choose to be on, you're going to make commissions on that. You're going to make commissions if the person upgrades to a higher level than you are. And you're going to make, and the cool part about this is once you get people referred to this and they start sharing the opportunity, you're going to earn commissions on what they make. Okay, so if they go out and bring somebody in, not only are they going to make a commission, but you're going to make a commission. So imagine like my sponsor has, I don't know how many people that he's referred to this opportunity, but he's done over $10,000 in 1 week. All right, because you can earn commissions up to like $3,500 from one person. All right, so the income potential is extremely huge here. Of course, we have to put in our earnings disclaimer and say that we can't guarantee anything. It's all dependent on your work ethic. But, if you use the leads that you get, you send out the postcards, share the opportunity with people share it on social media, make videos if you're inclined to do videos. I love making videos, so it doesn't bother me to get in front of the camera. And if you have a fear of that, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Okay, so just go out and try it. It doesn't hurt anything. You can, don't be embarrassed if you make a mistake. It's normal, So anyway, with that being said, I added it. It's there's a link down below here. All right, now I do have a user ID number, a sponsor ID number that you'll have to put in when you go ahead and join. You cannot join without a sponsor ID number, so that number is down below as well. But if you click the link, it'll take you over to a page where you can watch a video on how the whole thing works. They show you how the company pays out, and I think you're going to like it. So if you have any questions about any of it, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I'm also going to be creating maybe a group. I haven't really thought about how I'm going to do it yet, but I have the intentions of making like a mailbox money empire group or something, to where you know, you can come and learn different tactics and different ways that, you know, I'm learning from my sponsors how it all works. But yeah, when you join me, I'm going to send you some resources, places to advertise, places to get stamps, and all that good stuff. You'll also get a welcome kit in the mail within 7 to 10 days after you join. Okay, so you can join. You know, people have to join through the postcards, or you can join online. And once you join online, I joined yesterday, and I got an email pretty quick with my sponsor ID number, so you don't have to wait for your welcome kit to come in to start sharing the opportunity with other people. And so yeah, I think in 2025, I'm definitely going to focus. Probably most of my online marketing efforts are going to be focused on direct mail marketing. I love American Bill Money. It's super easy to do. I get very good response rates from the postcards, and I get checks in the mail quite often, and then I get the monthly residual with that. This is, you know, and that's like a monthly payment. This is a one-time payment to join, and then if you know, if depending on what level you join at, depends on how much you're going to pay, but it's just the one time. After you pay for that, you never have to pay again. And this could build you residual income for years and years to come if you do it the right way. You know, take it serious and share the opportunity with other people, and get a big group, you know, below you who are sharing the opportunity. That's one thing with direct mail marketing. You know, a lot of these opportunities, people, they go and they sign up and then they never take action. With direct mail, you know, especially when you're getting the postcards and everything, why would you not take action? So people who are getting in on this, and they're getting 200 leads, and they're getting 200 postcards to start out with, and then we're going to show you where you can get postage. Why wouldn't you send those out? You know, I got another stack of postcards that I did up last night. All right, these are going to go into the post office with me when I'm done here at the soap shop again. So why wouldn't you send out the postcards? All right, and that's all you have to do. That's all you have to do is send out postcards. If you don't want to do videos, if you don't want to be on social media doing posts and stuff, you don't have to do that. Just send out postcards. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this, folks. If you can take a peel and stick label and a postage stamp and affix it to a postcard and ship it out, you can make this work. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.